Advertising. Advertising.
Advertising. Advertising. The activity and industry of advertising things to people on television, in newspapers, on the internet, etc. The company spent a lot of money on advertising. Advertising plays a crucial role in modern business. The act of promoting products or services to encourage people to buy or use them. Effective advertising can increase sales. The advertising campaign was successful. The practice of creating and placing advertisements to influence public opinion or behavior. Advertising has become more targeted with digital platforms. Ethical advertising practices are important for brand reputation.